Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on energy and power signals. So we have to find whether the given signals are energy or power signal, right? First one is, you see they have given x of t is equal to del of t, unit step signal. So we have to find whether unit step signal is energy or power signal. Okay, let us find first power. Power is given by limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t2 plus t x of t whole squared dt, right? So what is my x of t? X of t for first problem, x of t is del of t. So substitute that p is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t2 plus t del of t squared, again del of t only. So whatever it be. So where this del of t will have a value, I substitute x of t is equal to del of t. Del of t will have value only at t is equal to 0. Yes or no? What is the definition for del of t? Del of t is equal to 1 when t is 0, 0 when t is not equal to 0. So only at t is equal to 0 it has value of 1. So even though the integral varies from minus t to plus t, it has value at t is equal to 0. At that point also the value is 1. So what will happen? Limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t, right? So its total integration will become 1 only. Yes, because the unit impulse has value of 1. Yes or no? It has, the integral varies from minus infinity to minus t to plus t, but my t has value only at 0. Other values it is 0 only. That t is equal to 0 also the value is 1. So you don't need to integrate from minus t to plus t. You integrate at only t0. At t0 also the value is 1. So simply put 1. Okay. So now you see what is power. T when t tends to infinity, 1 by infinity will become infinity. Power is infinity. What about energy? Energy is given by E is equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t2 plus t. What will happen? Again x of t square, that is del of t square into dt, right? So we found what is integral del of t squared minus t2 plus t, it is 1. This integration value is 1. So you don't need to find it, already we found that. So it is 1, right? So what is the value? So limit t tends to infinity is constant, you cannot apply limit. So what I get? My E is equal to 1. So energy is finite, power is infinite, right? So what will happen? Sorry, power 1 by infinity means 0. Sorry, t tends to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So energy is finite, power is 0. So this is energy signal. Therefore, unit impulse is energy signal. Very important. Always keep it in mind. Next, what they gave unit step A into U of t, right? So we will do that. Second problem, x of t is equal to A into U of t. So it is unit step. Let us see what is the power first. Power is given by limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t minus t2 plus t x of t squared A into u of u squared t dt, right? What we do, we know that u of t varies from 0 only, because u of t is equal to 1 when t is greater than 0. When t is less than 0, it is 0. So we don't have negative value, we have only positive. The integral varies from t is equal to minus infinity, see minus t. So but our t has values from 0 only, so discard negative, take only positive. So limit t tends to infinity 1 by t 2t 0 to t a square. A square because x square of t. U for 0 to t u value is 1, so 1 square d. Okay, so if you simplify, what you get? The integral limit t tends to infinity, a squared constant, take it outside, right? 1 by 2t, integral of 1 dt means integral dt is t, limit 0 to t. Fine, so what will happen? This is equal to limit t tends to infinity, a squared 1 by 2t into, if you substitute the limit, you get answer as t will be cancelled. You cannot substitute t in the equation because we have only a squared by 2. So the power is a squared by 2 watts. Since power is finite, energy must be infinite only. Yes or no? That is well known. Anyway, we prove it. Right? Power is E is given by, what is the thing? Limit t tends to infinity minus t2 plus t x squared of t dt. Right? So limit t tends to infinity. See, what is this integration? Minus t2 plus t x squared of t dt. You see, minus t2 plus t, this one a square u of t dt. What is the value we got? We got t. These are all something different, right? So a squared into t only we got. Yes or no? For this integration, this is what my integration about for energy. So that answer is a squared into t. Here you see we got a squared constant, that the integration will give t. So what is the answer? So instead of that, I can substitute a squared into t. If you want, you can do again. So you will get t tends to infinity means the energy will become infinity. So what happens? So power is a squared by 2, energy is infinity. So for step signal, it is a power signal because power is finite, energy is infinite. So it is a power signal. Step signal is a power signal. Whereas impulse is a energy signal. Right? We have taken x of t is equal to a into u of t. If a is equal, this is step signal. If a is equal to 1, it will become unit step. For unit step signal, we have to substitute a is equal to 1. So for unit step, what is the answer? We get p is equal to 1 by 2, e as usual infinity only, because a is equal to 1 for unit step signal. So that's what I did, just extra information. So step is a power, next impulse is a energy. What we get next one is we have to find a ramp signal. What is the energy of ramp? Right? So energy or power of ramp. So third one is x of t is equal to r of t. Right? So this is the next question. Let us solve this problem. This is very important. Unit ramp. So as usual, we solve. What is power? Power is given by limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t minus t2 plus t, x squared of t. X squared of t I can write as r square of t dt. What is ramp? Ramp is equal to t when t is greater than 0. 0 else. So integral value from 0 to t only. So limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t. No need to go for minus t2 plus t because the integral goes from 0 to t, because ramp exists from positive value. So up to that, what is my t? It is t square is t square dt. Fine. So what will happen? P is equal to limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t. This is t cube by 3, 0 to t. I did integration. So limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t into t cube by 3. Fine. So this t will be cancelled. It is t squared. So limit t tends to infinity means the value will become infinity. So power is infinity. Right? What about energy? Energy is given by limit t tends to infinity without 1 by t. Rest of the things are same, minus t to t r squared of t dt. For that, the answer is t cube by 3, 0 to t. That is what? T cube by 3. Yes or no? This is the answer for integration. For the integration, except this 2t, everything will come. So what is the answer? It is t cube. This is the last step. We can take that itself. This is the last step. T cube by 3 we got no the integral value. After substituting the limit, what we got is t cube by 3. That I can use here. So limit t tends to infinity, t cube by 3. What happens? Again, e becomes t tends to infinity means infinity. So e is infinity, p is also infinity. So for energy signal E finite, P0. For power signal P finite, E0, E infinity. But it doesn't satisfy both. So ramp is neither energy nor power signal. Right? So beautiful. Step is energy. Sorry, impulse is energy, step is power, ramp is neither energy nor power. Next we see what is the fourth problem. Okay, what is the fourth problem? X of t is equal to a complex exponential. Let us do that. Okay, so what will happen to complex exponential? Let me do this. X of t is equal to a into e power j omega t plus theta. This is what I have given. What is the power of or energy of complex exponential? First we find power as usual. Limit t tends to infinity. 1 by 2t minus t2 plus t mod x of t whole square dt. That is given by limit t tends to infinity. 1 by 2t minus infinity to minus t2 plus t. X of t is a into, so a squared I take it outside, so constant, e power j omega t plus theta square dt. What I have to tell you is what is modulus of e power j omega t, right? Modulus of e power j theta, what is that? It is 1 because why? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that's what your modulus, so it is always 1. So whatever be the theta value, right, modulus of e power j theta is 1. So instead of theta we are having e power j omega t plus theta. So what happens? That is 1 only. So limit t tends to infinity, a squared by 2t minus t2 plus t. 1 modulus is 1, 1 squared dt. Limit t tends to infinity, a squared by 2t, that is t minus t2 plus t. So what will happen? So limit t tends to infinity, a squared by 2t, this is 2t. If you substitute a limit, you will get 2t. So cancel, my answer is a squared. I cannot apply t tends to infinity for a. So power is 1. Sorry, power is a squared. We got power, it is finite, amplitude of the complex exponential. Power is finite means surely energy must be infinity. Why? Let us see that again. Limit for energy E is equal to limit t tends to infinity minus t2 plus t x of t square dt, right? So as usual you see, you take you substitute, this is what, except this one everything will be same, except this 1 by 2t everything will be same. So a squared I take it outside. What is the value of the integration? 2t. Yes or no? This is the answer we got, last step. So a squared, I take that one outside. Okay, so this integration limit t tends to infinity. If you do the same integration, what you get? A squared into 2t. Now you can make t tends to infinity. What will happen? This will make E is equal to infinity. So Complex exponential is a power signal. Right? So this is very important conclusion. Fine. So what are the conclusion we make? Impulse is energy signal. Step is power signal. Ramp is neither energy nor power. Complex exponential is power signal. I hope you understand the things clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.